What is going on, guys? Today I've got a special one for you. I've got an amazing product. It's actually right here. It is going to be the Elgato Wave 3. They have the Wave 1, I have the Wave 3 in my hands. I quite literally picked this up today from Best Buy. I'm very excited. I've been eyeing this one for a while and I finally decided to pull the trigger, and I'm hoping you are excited as I am to get inside this box, unbox it, see what's going on. I'm going to be doing a separate video maybe a week or two from now once I have a full amount of time to test this product, so I can give you the full in-depth review, so watch out for that video. But before we get into the video, like, subscribe, and comment. I reply to all the comments. I'm here to listen to what you have to say, so go ahead and leave some comments down below. But let's get right into this unboxing. Alright, so I have the box on my desk here ready to be, of course, unboxed. Like I said, this is going to be the Wave 3. So they have the Wave 3 and then the Wave 1 version as well. That comes just with less features, which like I said, we'll be getting into on the review video of all the features that this has in store. So I've already done the pleasure of cutting these open, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. So from first impression, super nice packaging. Slides out like this, so I can go ahead and put that to the side. And then we have this little box right here. But let me go ahead and read the kind of description that they have here on the side of the box. So, superior circuitry, we have anti-clipping technology, zero latency monitoring, multifunctional control dial, capacitive mute sensor, internal pop filter, as well as modular mount. As you can see right there, they have the Wave 3, the cable that comes with it as well, the stand, and then if you have a boom arm, which I plan on getting in the future, and then as well as a quick start guide in the box. Just kind of giving you an overall look. There's a ton of features here on the bottom. I'm really excited about that feature. They have a whole software that helps to control all of your kind of like a mix amp, but virtually through a software. So we'll get into that in the review video, but today we're just doing the unboxing. So this is the first box that comes out of that bigger box. So we'll go ahead and get into that right now. You have this little information right here on the sheet. You have the Wave 3 right there with a couple different specs and stuff and whatnot. And then obviously all the dial features with the inputs of the USB-C, and then the 3.5mm mini jack as well, and the mute button on top. So they have that little pamphlet in there. And then we go ahead, and on the top here, we have this little tiny box. This is gonna be where the cable is held. So you have a little bit more pamphlet in there, and we put that box to the side. And then you're probably wondering what this is. This is going to be the USB cable, obviously the USB-C. So you have USB-C on this end, if you can go ahead and see that there. But you got the USB-C and then the USB 3.0 on the back as well. So this part that actually connects into your laptop computer, and then this is what connects into the actual device. So we'll go ahead and we'll put that right there. So in here, so if you have a boom arm, I either plan on going with the blue boom arm or the most famously known, which is going to be the Rode boom arm. But this is going to help you once you take that stand that it comes with. You just go ahead and take this, put it in the bottom, and then you can either get like the shock mount, and then this will connect directly to the boom arm. And I'll make a video on that as well when I get that. All right, so you have the cable, and then you have the actual attachment there as well. And then we get into the actual microphone. So all around, great packaging. Everything is super high quality and protected to make sure the device, stays safe in transit. So you go ahead, and they have this little Elgato sticker. It's actually a really cool feature. They have that little Elgato symbol right there waiting for you to open their product. Trying to do this as peacefully as possible. Alright, here's the moment. Let's make sure we're in focus here. Alright, so this is going to be the Elgato Wave 3 that I have in my hands here. This is absolutely beautiful. I've seen reviews. Obviously from pictures it's kind of hard to get an idea of how big this is and kind of the size. But okay, so let's start off with here. So obviously for the dial here, you can turn left and right, and that's obviously going to be controlled with these LEDs lighting up, and that's going to be controlled by the press. So when you press once, it'll be on your microphone, and then you can adjust your microphone level. You click again, that'll go to your actual kind of headset if you have that plugged in to the back here. And then lastly, you have a mix amp, so you can kind of balance in between the two of your mic and what is on your headset. To kind of get a closer look, you have the Elgato symbol again right there. Very nice build quality, not like a stick or anything. Kind of a nice little plaque there. And then on the back, we have obviously the USB Type-C, and then the kind of 3.5 mini head jack in the back. Overall, just from holding in my hands, I can just tell this is really high quality. You kind of have this little like rubber pad on the bottom, obviously, so it doesn't move. I plan on using this for YouTube videos and stuff, but I don't plan on keeping this mount like on my desk like that forever. I do plan on getting like a little boom arm for this, which they have all the attachments for, make it very easily installable. But overall, great quality. You have these little two on the side to kind of tighten and loosen, obviously. And then they have a whole other attachment piece where if you just wanted to take this base off, which just kind of twist off like this. So you go ahead and you take this base off, and you put this down and you put the attachment on. So obviously this would screw in, and if you have ever seen an actual boom arm, they have these large screws at the end that will actually kind of screw into this. And then obviously if you had a kind of shot guard, it would kind of go around in a circle, or you could just do this. But I've also heard if you don't have the shot guard, the boom arm will just kind of bounce up. There's just not enough weight. So that is going to be the actual shock kind of boom arm mount. So they provide that, which is really nice. You don't have to go ahead and separate. Wow, that is really heavy. Now that I'm noticing it, that has some actual like heft to it if you can't hear it. But that's really solid build quality for sure. Just from initial reactions, you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. So this is definitely a well-built device. And you're not paying a ton of money. I ended up paying, there's a deal going on, with taxes and everything. I ended up paying like $144. Typically this goes for like $160, I believe, which in the realm of USB mics, if I didn't mention that before, obviously you got the USB-C, so this is a USB mic. You're not going with XLR cables or anything like that. This is going to be USB mic. And in the realm of all of the USB mics, this is kind of on the cheaper end. I've seen some of the more popular blue mics go up to $200, so this is kind of a nice medium price. I've seen go all the way down to $900 with Razer. But just from initial impressions, this is looking great. The actual cable itself looks like really high quality. I love the fact that it's USB-C. I kind of wish it was USB-C on this end, because that's kind of where ports are going, both on laptops and on PCs as well. But I'll take the USB 3.0 to USB-C, and then the mic as well. Obviously, I'm very excited to test this out, see how it works, and just really give it a run through about a week or two, so I can give you guys a kind of a full in-depth tour of this actual device. But let's go ahead and close out this video. So now that we've gone through the unboxing, I'm not going to go through too many of the actual features itself. I really just want to get, like I said, a week or two of testing so I can give you a full in-depth review of this product. But just off the bat, super high build quality. I've gone to Best Buy before and kind of they have like little displays or demos, and I felt some of them, and some feel good, some don't. Obviously on that lower price range is when you start to feel kind of the cheapness. But the bolts, the logoing, everything is super subtle, but they also let you know this is Elgato. But some of the quick features that they provide, they have a full program that is basically kind of their mix amp. So you can control, if you're playing video games, you can control the game audio, you can control the mic levels as well, the game chat, you can control if you're playing Spotify. So this is truly built, I think, at least the program side of things, for streaming. But for YouTube, this audio, from what I've heard from different tests before I even bought this, I looked up on YouTube and it was absolutely crisp. So I'm excited to see, and obviously hopefully you're excited to see the audio improvement, just from an internal mic to something like this. It is built for streaming, built for people that talk for a living. So I'm excited to get into that. You can control both the output to you, output to your stream. I won't give you too much. Look forward to the next video that I will give you a full on review of this product. So maybe you can go out and buy it yourself, and I can feel safe that I can recommend this to you. Right now, I would say go out and get it just based off the build quality, but I want a little more information information, a little more testing on this. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This product I'm so excited to use. I've been eyeing for a while, like I said, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any other ideas for videos, like I said, I'm here to listen. I reply to all the comments. So if you have any ideas for future videos, let me know down in the comments below, and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. Helps me keep making these videos. I love tech and I love talking about it. Thank you for coming back for another video, and I will see you in the next one.